All right. So this is the BuddyDoro iOS app, which was recorded on iPhone 16 Pro Simulator. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and walk through the testing, the logic, the GUI design, the struct implementations, and show that the application compiles and runs correctly. So just to show you this user interface part, this is the login screen. You can, if you type in an incorrect login, for example, let's say jack@gmail.com, and then put in a random password, nothing's going to happen. So what I will do is put in the correct username or email and password. So in here, I will put joe@yahoo.com. I have a temporary, a little temporary password 12345 6, and then it'll allow us into the main dashboard. So this screen is forced to be in landscape mode. So this is the main dashboard user interface. On the left side, you have the BuddyDoro logo on here. You also have the timer on here, which is set to 25 minutes. You also have a start timer or reset button. The timer can be for the study mode, or it can be for a short break or long break. Up here at the top, we have the greeting button, which would be for a profile drop down menu. The 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 currency inside of BuddyDoro is called Doros. So every user starts off with 1,250 Doros. Inside the store, they can purchase things to take care of the dragon. So, and then this is the task pane right here. You can rename the task by pressing on this pencil button. So you can call it college, school, work, whatever you want. If you want to throw it away, here's the garbage can button to delete that. But there always has to be at least one task pane on here. So inside, let's say this task pane is called college. You can create a task, and you can create one for each of your courses in college. And within there, you will be able to create subtasks within each class. This plus button is to create additional task panes. Like one could be for your college, one could be for work, one could be for home projects or whatever you want. Let me see. So the purpose of this app is to use this Pomodoro study technique timer that helps you focus on your studies, and it'll help you keep track of what you study. Also, we've combined a virtual companion with it, which is this little dragon right here. Eventually, we will have a life circle for it at the bottom. For every 5 minutes spent on the study timer, the user will earn 50 Doros. And then those Doros can be used to go inside the store and buy food or drinks, whatever is necessary to keep the dragon alive. Like I said, the user has to study in order to help keep the dragon alive. All right, so let's go ahead and open up Xcode, and let me see. We'll go into the logic code presentation portion. So let me go into the what is it? Login view. Okay. Or actually going to okay. So inside of the login view, let me go ahead and close this window a little bit so that we can see it better. So we can see the code better. For some reason, it's not wanting to. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So inside here, I use the @state variables to store the email and password. Um, and we did the simple validation check for the credentials, and then sets a Boolean state, which triggers the navigation to the main dashboard. Now, for the timer logic, I created a separate file called timer state.swift. Where is it at? Right here. Timer. Here it is down here. Timer state.swift. It declares a custom struct. It stores total seconds, remaining seconds, and is running. It includes helper logic like .reset and a computer property to formatted time. This demonstrates separation of logic from the user interface using Swift structs, which follows the requirement for struct-based architecture. All right, the next section we'll go into is the GUI code presentation. So now we'll go into the main dashboard view. So in this GUI, it's built entirely with Swift UI, and I reused multiple subview structs to follow the best practices. So where's the first one? Where's Okay, so we'll start with the day background view. That renders the forest background. Then the next one is timer view. Okay, that one shows the main timer user interface. We also have tasks view. Task view right here. That one displays a stylized task panel with buttons. Here is the logo view I was talking about earlier, which displays the BuddyDoro logo. We have also the dragon view. Right here. Here's the dragon view. That places the dragon character on top of the tree stump. So each of these is created as its own Swift UI struct, which satisfies the struct types implementation requirement. All right, the next section is going to be the struct type implementation. So I will show how we have the different structs. So for login view, we have this struct login view. We have the main dashboard view. That is a struct right there, right here. Next one is timer view. So I will go into timer view struct, as you can see right there. Next one is logo view, which you can see that struct. Top bar view, right there, you can see that struct. Dragon view, where's that right here? You can see that struct. Day background view, right there, you can see that struct. Timer state down here, you can see that struct. And so those are the struct type implementations. For the next section will be the user interface implementation. I will go ahead and pop up the simulator for this one. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we have the day background view inside of here, which is that forest background, the BuddyDoro logo on the top left, the timer below that, the dragon character, top bar view is right here at the very top, and tasks view is right here with the task pane. All the user interface elements follow a consistent color palette, rounded corners, shadows, opacity layers, and reusable styling. The dashboard is designed specifically for landscape orientation only, and orientation locking is handled through the orientation manager, which is down here at the bottom. This is the orientation manager right here. All right, so we already did the execution and made sure it compiles, and that is the end of this project.